Selling internationally is not hard. Selling internationally without breaking pricing, SEO, and operations is hard. Shopify Markets is Shopify's built-in way to sell globally from one store while giving shoppers a local experience. Currency, language, price rules, and market-specific URLs. In this video, you will learn when market is the right move, when a multi-store setup is better, and how to set up markets step by step. Markets means one Shopify store with multiple markets inside it. Your catalog and backend stays centralized, but you tailor the storefront experience by country or region. Multi-store means separate Shopify stores per region, like one for US and one for Europe. You get maximum control, but you also duplicate themes, apps, settings, workflow, and often subscription. If your brand and catalog stays mostly consistent across countries, Markets helps you expand faster because you manage everything in one place. Markets lets you localize currency, language, pricing by market, and even what products are available in each region. A market is a set of customers you define by region. Now here comes your SEO. Shopify supports region-specific URLs using domains, subdomains, or subfolders. This matters because shoppers and search engines need the right localized URL. So how to set up your markets in Shopify? Step 1, in Shopify admin, go to settings, then markets. Create a market and assign the countries or region. Step 2, configure currencies and language for that market. This is how the storefront feels local at checkout and on product pages. Step 3, choose your URL approach. Use a domain, subdomain, or a subfolder. Then assign it to the market and activate the language. Step 4, review products and availability per market, then activate. This prevents situations where a market shows products you cannot ship or support. Markets also connect to regional settings that impact buyers' experience: shipping, taxes, duties, and fulfillment options. Many stores set these based on how they sell in each region. Shopify Markets is broadly available, but the number of markets and some capabilities can vary by plan. If you hit limits, Shopify recommends grouping regions or upgrading. For deeper international complexity, Shopify also offers Managed Markets, previously known as Markets Pro. It is designed to handle more cross-border complexity like duties, taxes, and merchant of record style operations in certain regions. The moment you go multi-market, reporting gets hard. You will want sales, taxes, shipping cost, returns, and profit by market in one place. This is where reporting tool helps by consolidating Shopify Plus app data in one view. A tool like Report Pundit can help you report by market and also pull in ecosystem data like shipping apps, subscriptions, and ad performances so you can see the performance without exporting and stitching files. Use Shopify Markets when you want one store with localized experience. Use multi-store when you need maximum regional control. Set markets, set URLs, confirm product availability, and then track results by market.